I was tired of my tools sitting around on my garage floor, so today I'm installing the Kobalt Organizer Kit. Before mounting anything, I used Kobalt's green self-leveling laser level and tripod to get a perfectly straight reference line across the wall. This made lining up the K-Rail system a walk in the park. The rail mounts directly into the studs, so once I had located the studs and marked my holes, installation was pretty straightforward. One thing I like about the system is that the hooks can slide anywhere along the rail, and it's easy to rearrange the layout as your storage needs change. The finished setup looks much cleaner than having tools all scattered around the garage, and it frees up valuable floor space. Overall, I'd say the Kobalt K-Rail system is easy to install, feels sturdy, and does exactly what it's supposed to do. If you're looking for a simple way to organize your garage, this is definitely worth considering, but I do wish it came with more hooks.